I've landed in Incheon, South Korea for Squid Game Season 2.
Welcome to Korea!
Kamsahamnida! Woo! Namaste. That's our car. Really cool.
Hello!
Hello! My fans are called Cubies. Say hi to Cubies.
Hi Cubies!
Cubies!
Sending some thandi.
Yes, much needed. Everybody! Sangyo! We're all set. So we are going from Incheon to Seoul right now, which is around 1 hour. I thought it was Annabelle. Look who's here. Are you gonna take me to the Forbidden Island? Hello. Doesn't talk. Oppa sangyo! And now he's taking us to our room. Oppa, you don't talk. I bet you're smiling behind that mask. I know you are. Naindi, do you want to say what you were saying 5 minutes ago about the pink guards?
Yeah, I think they're in love with me.
La
One of
La
them.
Land.
I swear.
Oh, so the moment
I
you
have to-
land in Korea, you become Delulu.
That's true.
Delulu
Delulu
is
is
the
my only
Salulu
Salulu.
till it becomes Trululu.
Yeah, I hope it becomes Trululu.
Are you in love with Naindi? He didn't even look at the camera. He's not.
It's not
He
him.
rejected him. Oh,
I wouldn't know.
it's this one. Now nobody's talking. 5 seconds पहले everybody was yelling at the top of their voice. Pink तुमने नहीं पहना, black नहीं पहना. Radhika, debut on my channel.
आधे लोग तो पिंक विला से ही थे एक टाइम पे.
Dress code. We have a winner. Yeah, we have a winner. Okay, we've arrived in Gangnam. They made caricature boards for all of us, and I better look hot in mine. Okay. Otherwise, I'm gonna say that's not me. I found myself. There she is. Netflix, you all did a great job because I look hot. Who's a diva? Oh, she's a diva.
Global premiere and the much anticipated first ever fan screening episode 1L season 2. Who's excited?
India!
Let's go.
I just met Denise from Philippines.
Oh my gosh, Manila represent.
How do you say hi in Filipino language?
You can say mabuhay.
Mabuhay. What is mahal kita?
Mahal kita means I love you. Has somebody said that to you before? That's
Yeah,
how you know what it
a
is?
lot of people. So every time like Filipino people comment on my content, they say mahal kita sugar.
You are loved.
Oh, mahal kita Philippines.
How do you say I love you from Mumbai?
That's a little complicated. You say मैं तुमसे
मैं तुमसे
प्यार करती हूँ.
करती.
Yay! It's very long. You got
I
it.
know. So like, what if you're in the moment and you have to say I love you? It's like
You just say I love you. It's like good morning. Everybody says good morning.
good morning.
Denise here seen my BTS interview and she said she loved it and I was so
I'm
flattered.
17. I think you.
Oh yes, I was 17. But I would recommend Kai's interview.
Sorry?
The next watch is Kai's interview.
I did watch that already. Sorry, stop. I think I've seen every interview of yours.
Perfect. Okay, we are going to a convenience store last minute because we need something. I don't know what we need. It's been a while since I came to a Korean convenience store. My screen is dirty, I think. Is it better now? Yeah. What are we looking at? Protein bar with zero sugar, right?
सुबह से वही.
Because तुम लोग इतने डाइट
fitness boys.
Fitness boys.
ये इसमें कोई बता सकता है क्या शुगर है कि नहीं?
राधिका.
मैंने कल ली थी, इसमें चॉकलेट निकली थी, मैंने कल खाई है ये।
But it had sugar or sugar
हाँ?
free?
इसमें बहुत प्रॉपर चॉकलेट थी।
Okay, great. Plan cancel. हमें sugar free protein bar नहीं मिली guys. Radhika and I forgot to take एक भी फोटो नहीं ली हम लोगों ने.
और इतने गंदे लग रहे हैं अभी हम लोग, ऐसे एकदम टायर्ड लग रहे हैं।
No,
मुझे अच्छी लग रही है।
I think we look fab.
Okay, fine.
I think you're overthinking
We are
it.
amazing the
Look
way
at
we
the ramen. Oh my god. There was a time I used to eat so much ramen. Yeah, I was so fascinated with it, but now I think I'm over it. We just stepped out and I just noticed how beautiful the decor outside our hotel is. So pretty. Look at us, Radhika. अगर एस्कीमो लग रहे हैं.
मैं सिखा देता हूँ चीजें
अगर एस्कीमो लग रहा है. And why is this video like this? 0144 quality. I think my lens is dirty.
I think you need to change your camera.
Lens off कर, lens off कर.
Ah!
Guys, I think ये वाला left लेना था.
Ah!
Following the plan.
Can you just check the map?
I'm not using my brain cells. I am following Dhruv right now.
Can you just
Who
see
got
the
us
map
lost?
in
There
your
is a
phone?
GSA 1
हाँ हम लोग इस पे ये फोन पे मैप्स यूज कर रहे हैं पर मैं इस फोन से व्लॉग कर रही हूँ तो हम मैप्स नहीं देख पा रहे. Wait guys, let us check. Okay, we are now in convenience store 2. Do you know this guys? This is the Shinchan snack. I bought it last time but it was just like chocolate cookies. Nothing special. Oh, these are famous because of Jungkook, right? Banana milk. There's a whole sea of ramen. Oh my god, I love this coffee. I used to have it so much earlier when I used to come. यहाँ के convenience store में alcohol भी मिलता है. You can get everything that you want for a party. What?
Egg yolk का बना है.
तो हम लोग ने इतना time waste किया ना.
तो मैंने दूसरा लिया
You're
ना.
not gonna buy it also.
No, I took this. See, जिसमें ये 1 gram से कम sugar है.
ले लिया. Thank you. I'm not kidding. I have so much love for these go-to kimbaps. They saved me like the last trip. Every time I was hungry, I would just pop into here, take one of these, heat them, and just start eating them. But I think I'm done as of now.
Try this.
Okay, Radhika's here with her amazing chips. They better blow my mind, okay? They were sweet initially, but yeah, they're nice. I give it to
Are
you.
they, is it like, no, is it nice or is it like wow nice?
I don't think it's wow. Sorry.
Okay, you have to, it grows on you. You need to have more.
थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मीठा है.
Yeah. Please do not say anything about honey butter chicken.
That is what defines how.
Radhika is so disappointed right now. She's like, बाहर में जाओ तुम सब.
मैं ये इंडिया में start करूँगी.
Okay.
Start करूँगी.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Day 2 in Seoul, South Korea for Squid Game Season 2. And guess what? I broke my nail. I just got them done before coming to Seoul. Why does this have to happen? I don't even have time to fix it. I just have to live with it. So when we stepped out last night, it was like so cold. My skin got so dry because I live in Mumbai. I'm not used to this kind of weather. And my God, I can see how dry it is. So I bought this mask. They told me this one's really, really good. And we all got this one. And I'm going to try it today. I've kind of always said this before, but makeup sits beautifully on your face when it's well hydrated. When your skin is well hydrated. I should really pin up my hair for this. This is hydrogel. I just love hydrogel sheet masks. Wow, it fits beautifully. It's like wearing jelly. I'm like a huge fan of Korean skincare. This is the Chanel Rococo Balm. I've like completely shifted to tinted lip balms. I like a little bit of color on my lips all the time. This is my travel size Moroccan oil. That's another product I can't live without. So I just washed my hair and I'm just gonna use like 2 drops. 1 and 2. I hope that's like 2 drops. This just removes all frizziness and gives your hair this amazing natural shine. I had such a long flight yesterday. I still feel dehydrated. Look at that. That's my view. The sun just came out. Coffee. So yesterday I was in Gangnam and for some reason I was feeling so emotional. I don't know why, because I feel like I've had such a good time in Seoul, South Korea, because because of my sister, and I've lived here for like around 3 to 4 months, and I have created so many good memories. I've done some really good work, shoots and everything, and all the content that I've made, I've shared it with you all. I've kind of shared my entire journey in Seoul with you all, and you've all commented and shared your views and thoughts and given me so much love on it. I was just going to those places yesterday, and it was just bringing back so many memories, and I was feeling so emotional. I don't know what was wrong with me. Maybe I was tired, maybe I was like really just emotional, but I was like almost crying. And I really wanted to like go back to that time when I used to just like roam around the city and just be so carefree. Oh, I really miss those days. But I just want to thank you all so much. You guys have supported me it's been 3.5 years. And you all have been there cheering for me for so long. And I never take it for granted. I don't think I've ever taken that for granted for 1 second also. But sometimes I just forget to say how much you all mean to me. So thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you for following my journey. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for being excited for everything that I do, because I do it all for you. I do. After a point, how much will you travel or eat or do for yourself? You do it because it makes somebody happy, which is you all. And I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all so much. And I don't want to cry right now, but oh my god. I don't want to cry right now, oh my god. But I love you all so much. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just gonna have my coffee, have a long day. I am one emotional fool. Trust me, I am. This is helping. So Netflix sent me so many gifts yesterday, and I really want to open it right now. I did not get the time yesterday, but let's go for it. Let's start with this. Ta-ta! These are the shoes. Oh my god. I love them. Ooh. Ah! Are you ready to play? It's the candle of the creepy doll. Do you hear that? This is for the games. Let's see what's inside this now. Oh, it's that game, Takji. This is a very popular Korean game. You like throw it like that. Pat! And then the other person throws the blue one. Pat! Some Squid Game ramen. Squid Game noodles. I met him yesterday. He was really cool. She's all over the place, man. Dalgona lip balm. Oh, this is so hydrating. Wow. I feel criminal destroying this, but at some point you gotta use the product. These are all the Squid Game symbols. I think this is for the phone. There are 5 face masks like this. So cool. Love Korean skincare, so thank you. When I use this, I'm gonna do another video. More snacks. Dalgona cookies. Eye patches. Oh my god. I use these like every day, so thank you. I feel like I want to do a whole skincare video on this Squid Game line. What do you think? And finally, la 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 la. Okay. It's Squid Game right here. Okay then. The coolest part is it's really cold and I can wear my thermals inside this. Thank you, Netflix. It's time to remove this. Ooh. So hydrated, oh my god. It minimizes the pores, that's the best part. And now we're gonna do makeup. Let's depuff. Primer. I got this sunscreen from Korea and this is like all the rage now. This is like the best sunscreen I've ever used in my life, trust me. I've been using it for 2 years now. You cannot forget the neck, it's very important. For concealer, we're using MAC. You can see how much I love this product. Proof. This conceals so well. Everybody keeps asking me that, what brushes do you use? These are iconic London brushes and I genuinely love them because they look so beautiful. I mean, wait, just look at them. So cute, right? I love pretty things. I really do. And they're like really good also when you do your makeup and stuff. The under eye area is very sensitive, okay? This has a lot of nerve endings, so you should never use your brush here. Use your little finger, the ring finger, and just dab. Foundation, 1 drop. This is the best foundation ever for me. And also, I've finished like 2 bottles already. Contour blush. I am trying red blush today, okay? So I tried it once before and I put a little too much and I look like a clown. And I don't want to do that today because, come on. This is Rare Beauty and it's like the fall blush. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, we're gonna land this plane. All the way up to give that lifted look. Yeah, I'm getting dramatic now. Lenses. Look at that. Oh, it's in. Done. Powder. This has like the cutest brush. It goes right into your under eyes like that and fixes everything. Charlotte Tilbury. This has a liner and then you can use this as a glitter pencil as well. I'm not the best when it comes to liner, okay? Stop judging me. Liner. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Gossip. Definitely an overliner. I love it. So my upper lip and lower lip are not very balanced. My upper lip is really thin and my lower lip is like in your face. So I kind of just like make my upper lip thicker and the lower one I just leave it as it is. You can't really make your lips thin, I think. This is slightly warm, the lipstick. The thing about Indian skin tone is we are yellow skin toned, undertoned. And if you use a lot of pinks, of course it looks good. But because we are yellow skin tone, warmer, when you use oranges and warmer lipsticks, it just brings out this inner glow and it just goes with your entire skin palette. So I do more of oranges than pinks. For lipstick, we're gonna go with Chanel 61. Another warm shade. This is a very hydrating lipstick as well. I love doing my makeup, honestly. It is so therapeutic for me. I just love the whole look coming together. Well, how do I look? I love it. I still have to like comb my hair and stuff, but gosh, this color looks great on me. I'm all set to play Squid Game. You people have to root for me, okay? Because my God, I need to survive this. And you guys will be sad if I'm dead, right? They're not gonna kill us though. I'm gonna leave my hair natural because I'm really liking how it looks today. So they've kind of booked a building in Bombay where there are like 8 floors and all of them, they're calling it the Squid Game Island and they're like full of games. So we're gonna like play and survive and stuff. Everybody's getting so competitive. I'm like, okay, calm down.
The Hongdae, yeah, this is one of famous place in Korea. So maybe after this event, you can go to club or pub or bar or something. Play some Korean traditional game. Actually, Korean people play this during the Korean holiday with their family. Yunori. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, team start.
We are losing so badly in this game. I hate this game. You need to stop praying for us. Since the time we started praying, we've been losing.
No.
What is this? I hate this game. I hate it.
I hope your team to win. Okay?
Yeah, give us some superpowers.
It's a so simple game. You guys have 5 stones each. 5 on the board.
I'm playing a professional player. Namaste. Let's kill it. I have to flick it and flick it. Can I do it? No! You win. I've lost this game as well. What is wrong with me? I lost so many times that he felt bad and he gave me a gift anyway. So you don't have to win to get gifts here. Woo! No, and Devyan was like really upset because he was winning.
Yeah,
and he's
and
very
then
emotional about it.
Yeah, because they came up with some plot twist and
Yeah, you're a
Dhruv
star
and
loser.
Sham won
We got
by
consolation prizes.
cheating.
Oh, it says K-pop media. I think we're gonna dance now. We're gonna dance, dance. Arun is doing bhangra right now in a K-pop room. So Indian he is.